Welcome to this wondrous wonderland on Willow Way. This warm and welcoming home provides a well-designed layout, a wealth of storage, and a winning gourmet kitchen. Take a look.
Welcome to your dream home. This stunning property, built by the renowned Bill and Jane Construction, offers the perfect blend of luxury and comfort. With 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, this spacious home provides ample space for everyone and has a 3-stall garage. Situated on over an acre of land, the open floor plan creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for entertaining guests. The palatial isolated owner's suite provides a private retreat, while the custom cabinets add a touch of elegance to the home. Amazing covered back patio with custom shades and large lush backyard. Located in the highly sought-after Bushland ISD, this property offers the best in education for your children.
Just imagine you can wake up and indulge in the wealth of amenities that this property provides. Remember, I'm on Willow Way, and I know that you will add this one to your wish list. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.